Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Adam the Explorer and I'm one of the Dacia Duster Explorers. In this video you'll see me driving green lanes, which is commonly known as a hobby of green laning. Some of these lanes can be easy and some can be incredibly difficult and or potentially dangerous, but all offer a beautiful feeling of excitement and escapism. If you have any doubt about the green lane you're driving, get out and walk the lane first, making a mental note of places to turn around and if needed, thinking about strategies to overcome any difficult sections you come across. Because reversing after a failed attempt to get along the lane can be incredibly difficult and increases your risk of an accident or potential damage to your vehicle. I personally should know. We abide by the Green Lane Association Glass Code of Conduct for driving these lanes, and we respect all other users of these lanes, including horse riders, walkers and cyclists, as we all have a part to play keeping these lanes open for everyone. If you're thinking of green laning yourself, please consider joining the Green Lane Association to help in the fight to keep these lanes open and to help you understand more about this hobby. We also have the Trailwise 2 website, which will significantly aid in your planning. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates on new videos and check out my large video collection. For more information, head to my website www.adamtheexplorer.co.uk and www.daciadusterexplorer.co.uk, which also has some tools to help you. And finally, thanks for watching, stay safe and enjoy your trips.
where that comes out. That can come down at Newbury. Napa, that's it. Yeah, yeah. That's right. It's just wait, I don't know, there's a clump of trees up there. You see that? Oh, you can't see that. Just pull forward a little bit. Can you see the top of go? I don't know whether you can see. There's a stone building, see? Just go, you just go a little bit forward, you might see it. I thought we're getting up somewhere, and then they're coming new Shoguns, turn around and go back. Yeah. No, I know, we once... Yeah, I know, we had a... I had a Renault 5, my younger brother ended up learning in it, right? We put snow tyres on it, and it was snowing, we'd been up to that farm at some water down in the bottom, and we came along one way and it was up to the bonnet. And I thought, I'm never going to go. So I went back past it and there's a steep hill called Duck Hill, and it got all the way up there, and I got all the way to this, just up where you were seeing my wife going in, to there. And he got all that way, and you know, but these new cars you see them, they can't go anywhere, can they? Well, there was somebody in a Nissan Qashqai in Askrigg, right, and he was getting mats, putting him on front of the car, and then going a bit further and getting mat out, and there was somebody in an old Saab just sat behind him, shaking his head. So, anyway, I'll let you.
I see a lot of that.
Well, you'll see a lot.
That one.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's chat to you.
Yeah. See you about.